Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the lovely strawberry sandwiches that they've got in Marks and Spencer's at the moment. I'm going to show you how to make a healthy version of the strawberry sandwich. The Marks and Spencer's one, even though it's very lovely, it's got loads of calories in it. I think it's 290, and it's got 12 grams of fat. So now I'm going to show you how to make the low fat version. First we're going to start off with some cream cheese, which is the low-fat cream cheese, which is also from Marks and Spencer's. And I'm going to add to it some canderel instead of the icing sugar that they use to make the strawberry sandwich. And I'm going to mix it up. And then I'm going to get a slice of wholemeal bread, which is also from Marks and Spencer's, and spread it on there. There we go. And then they use just 2 strawberries in their sandwich. So, 1 cut in half. Oh, that's a bit big, that one. 2. And there we go. That is literally the Marks and Spencer's strawberry sandwich. Now I'm going to try it. That's so lovely.